Hey everyone, this is Wendy Patton here with Michigan Real Estate Investors Group, and I have Adrian Smoot with me today. Hey Adrian, how are you?
I'm wonderful. I'm excited about next week.
Yes, it's going to be awesome, you guys. So Adrian is our speaker for Saturday, August 17th, and he's going to be speaking. He's an expert in mobile home investing. So tell us a little bit about that, Adrian. Like, what are they going to learn when they come next Saturday about mobile homes and why they should get into mobile homes?
Well, let's start with why we should get in mobile homes because they're
Yeah.
still making a lot of money right now, where everyone's struggling to find deals and make money with the traditional single family and even the multifamily world. We're still doing really well with mobile homes.
Yeah.
And we're going to talk about from the beginning is kind of upgrading mindset, because there are some stereotypes out there about trailer trash. So we got to get rid of those bad stereotypes so then we can talk about mobile homes in a more accepting way. And so we're going to get rid of that. We're going to just talk all things mobile homes. I like the mobile home with land, but there's also parks and there's mobile homes within parks.
And are you going to talk about all of that, like buying individual mobile homes and also buying parks in general?
I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on buying the parks because
Okay.
personally, I passively invest in those. But I'll
Yeah.
tell you, there's a lot of people out there that don't understand the mobile homes within the parks that even
Yeah.
own parks. And you
Yeah.
still have to understand the units that are in there, not just the business piece of mobile home parks.
Yeah. Yeah. So are you finding that more people, do you think that's going to be like a higher demand coming up with the economy changing? I mean, are you feeling that there's stronger demand with things getting tighter for more buyers to need a mobile home?
For sure. We've already seen it since interest rates have started going up. We have
Yeah.
seen the demand for owner occupants buying like a mobile home fix and flip. That
Yeah.
has been going up and up because people buy interest rates, right? They buy their
Yeah.
payment. And
Yep.
because of that, they now can't afford the ranch style house. And maybe they were like, oh, mobile homes aren't my first thing, but I still want a
Right.
half an acre. So we've seen that demand go up. And then in the buy and hold area of the mobile homes, we've seen those go up as well because people are chasing yield. They want a return on their investment. And mobile homes have been producing them the whole time. And I joke around that people have now come
Yeah.
down to my level that I've been doing it and making money a long time, and so have my students around the country. But now other people are getting interested because they can't make money in other parts of real estate.
Yeah, and it's becoming cost prohibitive, right, in so many places. But I just feel like this is a huge opportunity for those of you that are listening here and you're wanting to break into real estate investing, that this is a great opportunity for getting into housing for a little bit less and still making a huge spread on the money, maybe even bigger spreads than buying properties that are single family, standalone homes.
Oh, for sure. So I'm going to go over a case study that I sold one ranch style house, and I did a
Yeah.
1031 exchange. So I deferred paying the taxes to another date into seven mobile homes. So I
Gosh.
sold one and bought seven, and the cash flow went up a lot. We'll go over all of that on Saturday.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, well, get registered right away, you guys. You're not going to want to miss this, August 17th. Mark your calendars. Do you know what the time is, Adrian? Like, is it
9 to 4, I believe it is.
9 to 4? Okay.
Yeah.
It's
And I'm
with,
going to hang
oh,
out a
hey
little bit
guys,
afterwards to talk.
you get an entire day with an expert who knows all about investing in mobile homes. So make sure you get registered right away. There's a link right below, or you can go to MichiganRealEstateInvestors.com or DetroitREA.com and get registered right away for his seminar, because we already have people registered and they haven't even ever heard you, Adrian. So we're pretty excited about that.
Awesome. I'm excited about meeting everyone.
Yeah. And I will see you on the 17th. Okay. Thanks, Adrian.
Perfect.